let's make one of my favorites together. Hi besties, how you guys doing? Happy Sunday. Hope you guys went to church because today. Me, I'm so sorry I did not went to church today. I don't even know why. God have mercy on me. After spicing my chicken with my favorite spices, I mixed my corn flour with water. I added salt in my oil as usual, then my garlic, my onion, my fresh tomatoes. Let me know, do you normally use fresh tomatoes to do your sauce or you don't put fresh tomatoes? I go in with my chicken. I have to put enough water because people wey dey suck my breast plenty. Then added my corn flour as thickener. Then lastly add my cabbage. Come and eat. Bye.